Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some Gold Tower Defense coupon codes. Alright, first one here is the gift from Sunay and Laura. Alright, if you want to, just go ahead and pause the video and try it out yourself. This one will be giving you 5 healing fields and 5 airstrikes. Another one here is the Freedom, MOAB ability, and more. Power Up But Works, which has 3 crates, 5 airstrikes, 3 health sensors, and more. You can also try this one. This one might work as well. 2023, 1114, and 1002. Here's another one for Gold Tower Defense Forum exclusive additional equipment supplies. 2023, 114, 1231. Alright, as you can see here below, there are a ton of codes here as well. Let me, you can try this one. Alright, just go ahead and pause the video if you want to and try each codes right here. Alright, and good luck. And I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.